everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. Here's another Christmas present I get to deliver going to Shannon and Ricky. Now they had came in before and just weren't quite ready and then came back, and we finally get to build their dream home. This is a 28 by 76. We call this home the Swayzee, and it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Now the other side is across the street over by the factory, and it is mostly just bedrooms and a living room, half of a living room. This is really the side that has all the good stuff. So we're gonna go in here and check it out. All right, this home is about 2,000 square feet, and it's actually gonna be on sale next month. Washer dryer area, washer dryer cabinets. And this home is known for its very large utility room. Let me turn my light on here. Very large utility room, and the perfect place. Almost everyone who buys this house has me put an electrical outlet there so that they can put a freezer there. Almost every person. So, nice large utility room. Coming into the hallway, when we turn to the right, this is going to be a secondary bedroom. Tobacco on the floor. Unfortunately, this floor is not going to be around next year, but the people who did build with it love it. And turning to the left, we're going to see the kitchen. They've got a drywall package in here, so there's lots of great features of the drywall package. I'm going to go straight for the pantry. We have a lot of floor plans that have this corner pantry in it. Also with a can light up there. Sunset Falls on the backsplash. Timberwolf on the cabinets. We got the cabinets all the way to the ceiling. Also did drawers over doors. That's all part of that package. And then a full wall of tile is always behind the range wall. Also part of that package. Microwave over the range. Gas stove. Side by side with ice and water. This is our Appliance Package 2A. And then there's the dishwasher. These cabinets just have such a warm tone. Beautiful. Nice and chocolatey and warm. Here's a balance board that is always reminiscent of a stick-built home and is also part of that drywall package. This home is made by Champion Homes if you're just tuning in. Also, one of my favorite features of this home, all this cabinetry over here. Shannon did a couple of pot and pan drawers, 2 sets. Desert springs on the countertop with a crescent edge, also a package. That drywall package has everything, guys. Let's just stop and take this in. Turning it around. This is the other half of the living room. They did a TV wall brace up here. So you're gonna have the electrical along with a TV phone jack. And then part of the package also is cove over the windows. Last thing to see on this half of the home is gonna be the primary bath. I've gotta go out and around to check out that. Okay, here we go in the primary bathroom. I'm giggling because I can't get up in here, you guys. Like, these houses are parked so close together that I've tried every way. So I'm not getting in, just so you know. Up there, we've got framed mirrors with 2-arm vanity lights. We've got an extended vanity. That means since I'm seeing 2 mirrors, I can guarantee you there's 2 sinks up there. And then we've got a 30 by 60 2-seater shower, and then a garden tub, a deck tub over there in the corner. So, Richard and Shannon, I thank you so much for letting me be a part of your journey. And I hope everyone out there has a very Merry Christmas. Thanks everybody for watching. You can also drop me a line at www.mobilehomemama.net. Bye-bye.